Number 8, a lady I knew who did Reiki, and I was talking to her. We'd be doing some other things, and she did a real brief one on me, and just put her hand behind my neck and said, "Well, you'll feel some warmth in a few minutes, a few seconds." And I didn't feel anything right off the bat, so I was thinking, yeah, sure, I was just kind of humoring her. But after about 4, 5, 6 seconds, I started really feeling this buzzy warmth back there. It was undeniable. It's not something I was imagining. And she wasn't pressing hard on me. She was just had her hand over my neck back there. So that was another. I don't know a whole lot about Reiki or John Ray. It's kind of a similar thing where they use iconology and stuff. So I don't really know a whole lot about how they work, but there was something happening there. That's all I can say. It was a warm, tingly, almost electrical, but warm feeling. Unless she had a microwave generator hidden in her hand. Little microscopic, what do they call those? Magnetron. That's kind of what it felt like, though. I mean, a more buzzy, vibratory, but warm too, feeling to the back of my neck. So I can't explain that one either.